Want to know what's cool and different about this new, patented combination lock, only from Master Lock? It opens just like a regular combination lock, but you can choose your own combination using numbers and letters, and it's really easy to do. This reset tool lets you change the combination as many times as you want. Start out by opening the lock to the preset combination. Turn right to the first number or letter. Turn left, passing the first number or letter to the second number or letter, and then turn right to the third number or letter. Then, pull up on the shackle to open it. Now to set your own combination, make sure the lock is open. Put the reset tool into the open hole so the master logo is facing the side of the lock. Press it all the way down until you hear and feel it snap into place, and the collar of the reset tool is resting on the top of the hole. Now turn the tool 90 degrees in either direction until you see the master logo is facing you. Now you're ready to enter your new combination. Choose any 3 numbers or letters for your combination. You might choose your initials or your birth date. You can even use a number or letter more than once. If you need suggestions, a list of common names and words is included on the instruction sheet. Let's choose J01. Start by turning the dial 3 times to the right to clear out the old combination. Then, turn right to the first number or letter, for us it's J, and then turn left and past J until you reach O. Then turn right to the number 1. Finish by turning the reset tool back 90 degrees so the master logo is facing the side of the lock, and remove it. Now your new combination is set to J01. You can change your combination as many times as you want. Remember to keep your combination in a safe place, or at combolocker.com.